This potato and egg look ordinary, but today, we're about to create something you've never seen before. First, we grate the potato and squeeze out the water. Then we pour it on our hot pan to cook for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable cooking oil and sauté till soft and tender. And mix it with your egg in a bowl and combine everything together by hand. No gas, no electric stove, and village spices. It's like a pancake, but with crunch and soul. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. This isn't fast food, it's village soul food. It's better than fries and better than omelette. This is my new favorite snack. What do you think? Would you try this in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Like and comment if you love simple breakfast from the village. And please, subscribe to my channel and help me grow.